Am I right? Okay. So let me show you the. Okay, let me show you the outfit that we got going on today. Honestly, like, if I turn to the side, it's gonna be like I disappear. Cause I'm so thin. If I turn, I need to do it quickly cause it's like... No, wait, hold on. Ah! See, now, okay, if we bend over a little bit, there's like, whoa, hold on, there's some movement. Wait, hold on, there's some, ooh, I can't move, like, I can't be too sideways a little bit. Anyway, if you want to see more of that, drop 10 gifted or something, I don't know. Anyway, there's gonna be, let me tell you, there's, I'm about to rip off, should I rip off my eyelashes? Okay, so there's gonna be a lot of